for this? Huh? You ready for this? Oh boy. Hello. Is it recording? Yeah. So yeah, like the amount of stuff.
There's the checklist.
Oh yeah, the checklist. Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much everything on there except for the couple things that are marked out.
There's just like, we don't really need them. Or people have them.
Well, situation.
That's fine.
Right there, Nick's seat's not going to go all the way back.
Push that one way or the other. And
it's like it's currently pushed forward because of Miguel's legs.
Yeah.
And then just push as hard as you can, and if there's room, it'll move.
Oh, good.
All right.
So yes,
we have almost no room whatsoever.
Here's my wrap.
Hey Chase, any comments?
In case of emergencies,
no.
Kiss your ass goodbye.
We're almost operational. Yeah, I'm not gonna drive with this.
Oh god, yeah, that'd be something.
The white bag. How squished do you think my wrap is? It's in the white bag.
Dude,
very squished.
Also, I think it was Brandon that stepped on it.
Sorry.
She was straight up. She was like, "Is this Malcolm's?" And I said,
Yeah,
and
she was
she just floored it. Like,
it's fine. It just tastes like shoe. Okay, you moved the propane.
So we got all of that. Any final words?
I'm fucking hungry. We're gonna get
hungry?
lost. I'm fucking hungry. We're gonna get lost. It's gonna be great.
At least once?
At least once. At least. I want to stop at McDonald's. I want fucking chicken wrap.
So yeah, we got this whole setup and see if we can open this. That is a no. That just fell right out. Great. Why? What you doing?
Oh, 1 second. Let me go up a little.
Oh, push the bag back.
Trying to.
On test blinkers and brakes.
There's that
you
one.
already done it.
Haven't done it yet.
So yeah, we were not prepared.
Oh yeah.
It took what, 2 hours to get everything packed?
Gangly bit.
Around 2 hours, yeah, if that. I'm pretty sure it took about 3.
This is going to be really weird because this is the first time that you're holding that camera up around me. First trip that I've actually been on, sort of thing.
It's fine. Operational, ready to go?
I need to suit up.
Any last words, Chase?
How many times will we get lost?
No, we're just gonna go swimming in the pool, that's it.
How long have you been driving for? 1 hour?
Around that. Way too long.
Way too long. There's Chase up there. Hi, Chase. Suck a dick.
Hour.
Chase's mom said it's going to be an hour or 2 hours and a half.
Hour. We drive fast.
Yeah, we've done this trip before.
Well, you know what, Devin? Do you have anything to say to the camera?
Yeah.
Suck a dick.
I'm not drunk enough, Patrick. God.
I mean, like, we have the booze in the back.
Okay.
See ya!
Alright, well, that's going to be it for now.
Well, you have anything to say to the camera, Nick?
The ride could have been better. Some people were upset that there weren't McDonald's on the way.
Yep.
I wasn't in the other car, but I'm sure that there was probably lots of screaming at the driver.
Maybe.
Oh, look who it is.
Look who it is, the adults. They're not very adult.
Okay, so we just got here, and as you can see, we got, Paige doing her tent, almost done. She started about the same time as them, and they got 5 people working on it.
Okay.
And we got Devin starting with the giant gazebo.
We got 2 sites that back up to each other.
Richard and Nick doing one of the biggest tents. And of course we got Chase just going ham.
Oh, this boy.
Camera reception.
So 1 second, I need to ask him if that tent's the biggest one we have.
I believe that is.
Dining gazebo. Hey Paige. Paige, take a look at the size of my tent. Do you think that'll hold enough people?
Do you think we're gonna have to put one of the tents on that site?
I don't know. I honestly don't even know if we need 2 tents over here. Because that thing's bigger than either of these 2.
Yeah, it is pretty
It's like
big.
1.5 times the size.
Put them up. Maybe do a peg and just leave it.
Do you want to go ask them after?
Do you have it, Brianna? You're the one who knows.
I don't know.
Get off the camera and exit continue.
Wow. This boy's the sass of the club.
How about this, Chase? I'll set up.
Oh, he's also got the shaft of the club too.
I know I do.
Okay.
Put it away and
But yeah, we're here.
Here we go.
We are here. The section, more to come, but the section we were supposed to be in was flooded. There's flood warnings for this area and everything's getting flooded.
When does Chase's plan ever go well?
When would it ever work for me? I have no idea. Every trip that I've planned has had something happen. So yeah. So here's the lower side. Now normally this pond, you could drop a leaf in there and you could barely see it moving. Like you would not see a single little bubble coming from here. Over there it's just like a little, usually it's just like a little, it's the equivalent of like a fountain stream coming out of there. But now, look at that. It was gone. Like, that's moving. Oh, there it is, over there. And there's pieces of dock in there. There's part of a dock over there. And way over there, this is definitely overflowed. We'll get some more footage on the way back of this bank. Right here. Man. How'd you like to get sucked in that whirlpool? You'd never come up. You'd go down and you'd never come up. Holy crap. It's causing a bulge right here. Like, oh, right there. It's clear. You seen that when it got caught. First of all, down in there, it went under, popped back up, went back, and then under again. Then it made it to that one. Go there for a good few seconds. And that is thousands of tons of water that would be crippling you. Yeah. Where did it go? Oh, it's caught in there. That is what would happen if you fell in. Yeah. That there. You would be caught. And you would drown. Yeah. Okay, so this was the canoe shack. Obviously you can see out there. That's where the dock was. There's where the dock was, and that dock was actually the first set of yellow posts closest to us was where the dock started. That was where the land was dry up to. Then then it went down about probably 2 feet, and then there was a floating dock off the end of that. Want a piece of wood? Let's grab this piece of wood on the way back. Because we can get more wood. Under that.
Yeah, you gotta like squat down pretty well though. Squat down, squat down.
Too high of gear, dang it. Dude, I'm in 4-1. Or no, 4 full, 4 medium. Do we dare ride through it? I think we can.
I am.
Okay, you can go first. I got the camera. Don't stop. This was campsites. Those were campsites. What? Can't. It's getting deeper. Do we dare go left?
I don't even know where the road's at.
Follow the edge on the right, on your right.
Yeah.
You gotta go left. Holy crap. We're like out in the middle of the friggin' Grand River now. Go left.
We're trying to stay in the middle here, so in the middle hump.
Yeah. So those were campsites. I don't want to let go, but like at the same time, those were seasonal campsites. Oh.
If all else fails, get one shoe wet, other one's dry.
Aim for that pile, man.
Follow it. Can't stop though.
235. All that's flooded. I almost ran off the edge of the road.
I don't even know where the road is.
You're on it.
I'm just trying to stay in the center.
Look how deep this is. So, Mom and Dad.
Dude! My land!
Look at, we've actually got sand flowing up on here. This is all sand.
It is.
Washed up. That point would go all the way out to those branches or logs sitting out there.
Oh, it is mud. It's actually mud.
This was supposed to be our campsites, this stretch here. No, it's this one and that one, 232 and 234, yeah.
So we were gonna get those two.
Okay.
We're gonna get that site there that's underwater, and this one's completely underwater.
Water, but
And no, not this one. It was that one and the one on the other side of that.
Yeah, that's
But 234 here was the one that's not reservable, but it is a beautiful site when it's not flooded.
Yeah.
looks more like a rice paddy.
It's a good site though. There's lots of grass on it, thick grass, and it's really level. We gotta make it over to that.
Actually, the canoe trip was the first time I wore
Going straight through the water.
I'm thinking.
Horrible idea, but
I mean, like, the can't just wasn't that
Oh no!
Losing traction.
hey, Patrick.
So, as you can see, they've got this weighted down as much as possible.
Because it'll float away.
Oh, and they've even got it tied off to trees. Because it's a deck, right?
Yeah.
And I think they've got it ratcheted down to something. Yo, that's what you call risking it.
What?
Stacking all this stuff up on one table.
Oh.
Okay.
Like, you know, these used to go out quite a ways out there.
Where the trees are, basically.
To where that dock is.
Yeah.
And that dock would have stuck straight out instead of sideways.
I want to see if I can land this on the dock.
Hit her.
Oh, God, this is
Don't fall in.
not even close. It's a lot
Halfway
heavier than
there.
I thought.
3/4.
Yeah. Richard, how's your experiences going?
Pretty good.
Now we go back to the water.
I'm just gonna feel how cold the water is.
Man. Flooded right up in, right to the middle section. That's why they closed this down. There is absolutely no way.
Right side, the water's nice and warm.
Here.
Yeah, here. You guys want a feather? Nah. I
Yeah.
think it's from a gull or a goose.
Okay, let's go back across, Patrick. What? No, I just meant back across here.
Alright, so yeah.
I'll join you this time.
Make sure.
Oh,
I suggest taking this one because this one actually, its pedals stay above the water.
Oh, this one has to go below?
oh, his probably would. Yeah, Patrick's probably would.
That, and you can take this.
I think I'll just go the dry way.
Alright.
Come on, man, there's nothing like it. It's fun.
Fine, stop ice. Alright. That does not sound healthy.
The front brakes are very tough.
So just don't use the brakes. But don't slow down.
You need to drop into a higher gear, or lower gear, sorry.
Is the one that, Richard, are you good in that gear?
That gear is perfectly fine, that's what I'm
Okay, ladies first. Follow Patrick. Patrick can see the edge of the road. Yeah. Or you can guesstimate where it is.
Better than this much. Okay. Oh, there's a fish.
Fish!
There's a fish right there. Oh, my pedals are low. Oh! Yep, they're done. Yep. I feel it here too. Up and they're gonna look like.
Oh, you guys went off the road!
Patrick, my shoe is now wet.
I almost went off the road and now I'm like, oh no, I'm going down low.
Patrick.
It's a snake.
That's a snake.
There's a snake in there. Ah ha ha! Man.
Oh, I got deep there.
Richard's just like, I'm getting out here as fast as I can. But yeah, that's why the Willows section is closed. We reserved sites in this area and we had to move to the island because there's nothing here for us. Oh, Patrick, we forgot to test if the taps are still on over here. Is the water still on?
No, shouldn't be. No.
Okay. Now, Patrick, I dare you to ride straight through that.
Wait. Patrick. It's on.
Oh. I wouldn't trust that. You got E. coli risk. Okay, I dare you to ride straight through that. Your shoes are already soaked. Come on, man, do it for the vine.
Nah, it's not vine.
Vine dead, but do it for the videos. Oh, are the bathrooms unlocked? I need to go.
Those ones right there?
What?
Those ones?
Yeah. Is it worth riding through? Ride through, Patrick. Do it.
No!
Do it. You were about to do it anyways. Do it.
Oh no.
Do it. Go, go! You're already soaked. Go. Come on, Patrick. Pedal, pedal, pedal.
Okay, no. I'm going to fall in. I know already. If you want to do it, go right ahead.
What a boy.
Go right ahead.
No, I'm good. I swear.
I swear by the holy God himself. You're not screwing him, you're screwing me. What? Your fault. Trying to bike with two bikes is not.
It is possible.
It's hard.
You just can't stand up and do it.
Yeah.
Sulphur Creek, man. The lower area of the dam.
What?
Remember the little tiny section?
Oh yeah.
Want to take a cruise over there?
Oh, show us, huh?
Richard, we're gonna go to the other end of the park. Do you want to come with us or no?
Sure, I'm already on a bike.
Nick, are you heading back? It's a long ways.
I'll try. It's across the park.
Don't kill yourself on the way over there, man.
Patrick, don't kill us.
We have to go up to the front gate pretty much. Oh yeah, man, let's take the other way here.
Oh yeah. Let's go down it.
Yeah, boy. Richard, you might want to walk this. Ladies first. The handlebars fit. What?
You might want to walk just my ass.
Busting out the skills. That doesn't go anywhere. That stream just tapers off into nothing. Here's one. Oh, a cat. Start hitting your brakes with it.
I don't trust this bike's brakes, so I'm stopping well in advance.
Even with the water, ow.
See, I don't trust this bike's brakes.
Even with the water flowing at that speed, I don't think the strength of our group would be strong enough to paddle back up against it. Because if you think about it, that looks like it's moving slow, but to paddle it, it's actually moving.
Yeah, that's the top. Down below it's not moving faster.
They could maybe make it, but it'd be really hard. I've done a range of water, and that's like, for me that wouldn't be an issue because I've had lots of experience. But considering that some people don't even know how to swim, that could definitely hinder our performance. Hey Richard, you don't have to follow us if you don't want. It's a dead end.
What could possibly go wrong?
Last famous words.
Two bobcats.
I told him this is where Nick should come out.
There's no trail.
No trail up here.
Uh-oh.
Well, trail blazing time in the opposite direction.
Nope.
I almost got it. You try.
Now you're climbing through poison ivy. Oh, yes, yeah. Richard and I are more tactical. Sorry, Nick. I know there normally is, but it isn't maintained yet. Sorry.
There's not much of a dock down there.
Oh, I can see that.
Watch out behind you.
It's supposed to be a boat launch.
This side's not near as affected. But man, that willow section. Oh man.
We're probably the most agile of these two. What? Of Richard and Chase. Yeah. Why don't I ride the bike back?
Yeah.
Or,
I'm gonna take a pop down that way.
That's a long run.
Nick, wanna rest just for a minute while me and Patrick go down there?
oh,
We're gonna rip it.
rip it? Oh, boy.
Rip it.
What do you mean, like?
Like just smoke down there and smoke back.
Well, is Richard
To the
willing
end.
to
I'll be real quick.
smoke it, as you say?
You want the bike?
I don't know.
Anybody, it's just me and Patrick have to have a speed run.
I'm not gonna be able to go top gear, but you know.
Yeah. No, but there should be at least one speed bump down there.
Oh, yeah.
Try jumping on that bike. You should actually, when we get there, try jumping on my bike.
That's the way right there.
Alright.
Okay.
My bike pedals have no grip, but it's got a lot of spring to her.
It's so nice feeling air.
No speed bumps. Ugh. Do you want to go right up or just around? Let's go around. There's no more road network up there. Go, Patrick. Uh-oh. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. What's that?
Okay, so yeah, just as you were coming back, I saw down here. I saw a splash. A fish cutter started coming up. A bird swooped down, picked it up and flew off.
Oh, I wish you had the camera on you.
Yeah.
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 Whereabouts?
Over on the island.
Over on the island? Oh yeah, I think I saw you guys.
Yep.
You too. Here you go. I'm gonna run now.
So yeah, that would have been a perfect GoPro.
That one's gonna stand straight up.
He's got fat tires on that thing.
Yeah.
Like it's borderline of a plus size.
Yeah.
Patrick, here. Take my bike. Hit those. Some premium jump grounds. You've got to use the suspension or else you'll never get it up. It's too heavy. You aren't getting the back.